In this video, we are going to be learning how to create a QuickOp. First, we need to make sure we are in the Jobs window. Click on Jobs at the top of the screen to take you to the Jobs window. From within this window, we are going to go to Options, go down to QuickOps, and then go to Insert or Edit QuickOp. The only thing available for us right now is to create a new QuickOp, so we are going to select OK. It takes us back to our QuickOp edit mode, and as you can see, everything is highlighted green in the background, letting us know we are in the process of creating a QuickOp. What we are going to do now is give the QuickOp a name. So if I wanted to do a tire rotation, we could do Rotate 4 as an example. Tab down to the Complaint Cause and Correction boxes, where we are going to enter Customer Requests Rotate 4 Tires. We are then going to fill our cause box and then our correction box. We have all three boxes filled out and now need to give it some labor time. If we wanted to say that this job pays 0.4, we are going to go to the FLH box. Click on that line once and it will highlight blue. Simply type in the amount you want to pay the tech. We will enter 0.4. Then we are going to go to our PC or price code area. Select the drop-down arrow. Click on 9, hold labor total, and then tab over to total and say that this pays or costs $19.95. That's how much the technician is going to be paid. If you wanted to designate this to a specific pay type, you can do that here on the top left. Right now it defaults to customer pay. But if I wanted to make this a warranty job, simply select Warranty. If I wanted to make it internal, I could select Internal, and so forth. If you wish to pre-flag a technician, in other words, every time you select this job code, you want one technician associated with it, go to the Tech box and select the drop-down arrow and enter the technician's information. This is really only used in rare cases, and most of the time you will leave it blank. The important thing is to define what pay type you want. Have your three complaint cause and correction boxes filled out, your flag hours, and then a total. Once you are all done, you can click OK, and now that opcode is saved. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to create a QuickOp.